If you don't know how to EQ, then first you will need to understand frequencies. Basically, human ear can hear between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Every instrument has a different frequency. This is the thing that has to be kept in mind while doing EQ in FL Studio. Let me explain it to you a little better. You can see above in EQ that everything is divided into one part. Everything has its own frequency. If you play sub-bass, then frequency shows in sub-part. And if you are playing the piano or some other instrument, all the frequencies are seen in the mid and highs treble. If such wave is not coming from your EQ, then click here and go to Heatmap and enable this button. Now we talk about unwanted frequencies. Many instruments' sounds has unwanted frequencies. If you don't remove it, then it starts clashing with other instruments. As you can see, there are a total of 7 bands here. And if you go to presets, then you will find many pre-structured presets here. There are separate presets for drums, specific HZ presets for vocals, and many more. Now if you want to cut the lows, then right-click on this band, and select high pass, and then again right-click and go to order and select steep 8. And now I play this instrument and slide this band until the sound stops coming. And there is no sound here, and this is unwanted frequencies. So right-click on this and select high pass, that means you cut the unwanted frequencies. But guys, it's depend upon your music. If your instruments play also in lower octave note, then don't cut too many bass. Just listen and then set it. This is a basic of doing EQ. I have not gone into full details. And these EQ settings are not the same for every song. It depends on your music, what type of music you are making. Are only instruments being played in the song, or is it being sung with vocals, and you should do it according to which thing needs to be given more priority. And one most important tips. If you press subscribe button, so you can get to watch many videos like this.